Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the second subtopic, which is the 2.2 integration of trigonometric functions. So here is the only LO, which is find the integral of trigonometric function sine AX, cos AX, and secant squared AX. So these are the three main trigo that we will learn of its integration. Okay, and then there is also the constant multiples like 2 times sine ax, and then we integrate it. Yeah, this number 2 is the constant multiples. That is what it means. And then the sums, the plus, and the minuses involving the trigo of the sine ax, cos ax, and secant squared ax. And there is also the integration of sine squared ax as well as the cos squared ax. And there is also the use of double angle, compound angle, and factor formula. So I'm afraid that there is the knowledge of semester 1 will be there in semester 2, which is all of the formula of trigonometric functions will be here as well in semester 2. So all the best to you all, okay? Let's go to the first example, which is the sine 4x, okay? Integrate sine 4x with respect to x. Let me begin with the concrete example and the concrete answers. Okay, when we integrate sine, okay, the answer is always negative cos, whatever the linear there as well, okay? So the answer is negative cos 4x. Not just that, but it is together with a division, a divide by 4. And then we must put plus c. This is the answer for integration of sine 4x. All right. Let me show you the formula. So the formula here is whenever we integrate sine, we must have negative cos. I repeat, whenever we integrate sine, the answer is negative cos. Whenever we integrate sine, the answer is negative cos. Always there, okay? Always like that. That is formula. We just use it. And then when there is the linear of itself, we only copy and paste the linear. Okay? And then specialnya tentang linear ini, kita mesti bahagikan dia dengan A. Sebab linear dia agak panjang, di situ AX plus B, and therefore differentiate AX plus B gonna give us A. That's why there is number 4 here. Differentiate 4x is 4, but we must put at the denominator part, divide it with 4. Okay, that is how it works. Let's go to the second example. Integrate 2 cos 3x over 4 with respect to x. And then I put out the number 2 outside. I will get this. And so I got a single cos there inside of the integration. And so number 2 is kekal over there. Nothing to do with it. Leave it there. 2 is there. And now we just have to think on what is the formula of integration of cos. So the integration of cos is sine x. Okay, but in this case, sine. In this case, it is sine 3x over 4. Okay, tapi kita tak habis lagi. We are not finished here yet because we must divide it with 3 over 4. Okay, and then we put plus c. Kenapa kita kena bahagikan dengan 3/4? It is just because differentiate dalam kurungan, differentiate 3 over 4, x is actually 3 over 4. And so it should be there as well by using the formula of integrate cos I repeat, integrate cos is sine. Sine ya. Integrate cos adalah sine pula. Tak ada negatif. Hanya sine saja. Okay. But if you have a linear that a bit longer, I mean ax plus b, you should differentiate the ax plus b, gonna give you a. You know that already. Kenapa kat sini tak ada a? Sebab the a is 1. Ax. A is 1. Therefore, integrate x is, differentiate x. Anyway, it is 1. Tak perlu tulis pun tak apa. So it's logic there. Both of these are just the same formula anyway. Alright? And so we simplified this answer. Gonna give us 8 over 3 sine 3x over 4 plus c. That's it. That is our answer for question number 2. Let's go to the question number 3. Integrate secant squared. So what is the answer for integrate secant squared pula? Now, the answer is tangent x over 2. This is the answer. Whenever you integrate secant squared, the answer is tangent. Tapi jangan lupa kita kena bahagikan dengan 1/2 disebabkan we differentiate inside of the kurungan, it is 1/2. And then jangan lupa tulis plus c. And then we simplify it, we will get 2 tangent x over 2 plus c. That is our answer for integrate secant squared. You tak percaya? Kita tengok formula. Integrate secant squared is tangent. I repeat, integrate secant squared is tangent. And both of these are just the same formula. Okay, so this group is secant squared ax. Well, this group is sine ax. Well, this group is cos ax. So hanya ada 3 group of integration untuk trigo, iaitu cos x, I repeat ya, cos ax, sin ax, dan juga secant squared ax. Hanya 3 ini sahaja yang you perlu hafal. Tak ada lagi integrate tangent dalam formula ini. Tak ada kan? Hanya ada 3 sebab dalam LO kita mengatakan dia ada 3, iaitu sin ax, cos ax and secant squared ax sahaja. So hanya 3 formula ini yang you perlu hafal. Tapi kalau certain orang dia tak nak hafal, dia rasa benda ni logik, macam saya jenis orang yang logik. Saya suka berfikiran logik. Jadi saya rasa saya suka hafal differentiation punya cara. Differentiation punya cara mengajar saya, when we differentiate cos, we will get negative sign, am I right? So when I do a reverse process, iaitu untuk memakai cara integration pula. So I know that, I write down integrate sign, and then I straightforwardly know that jawapan dia akan jadi negative cos. Sebab apa? Negatif ni sudah dijadikan di sini pula, dipindahkan di sini pula. So bagi saya benda tu logik. Kalau you tak rasa ini logik, you boleh sahaja hafal semata-mata. Okay, but for me, this is just a reverse process, which is I make sense of it. When I integrate sine, I will get negative cos. So saya hanya hafal satu hala, which is saya hanya hafal differentiation saja untuk topik inilah, untuk subtopik ini. Same goes to this thing. Saya hanya hafal differentiate sine gonna give me cos. So bila saya buat integration pula, dia akan jadi integral of cos. Therefore the answer is sine lah. Sebab reverse process dia adalah sine. So I hope you understand what I'm trying to let you understand right now. Okay, if you doesn't make sense of this, it's okay. All you need to do is just hafal 3 group yang saya cakap tadi. Group secant ax, secant squared ax, group sine ax, dan juga group apa? Cos ax. So 3 group ini yang you perlu hafal. Okay, and then you will be fine and you will be good in this subtopic. Let's go to the question number 4. It's okay, we will practice a lot in this video and also in my notes that I've given you all. Write as many times as possible so that you remember already. So now let's go to the fourth one, which is I bring this 3 outside first. And then I jadikan dia menjadi dua integral yang berbeza so that I can see that there are two integrations there. And then I recall back, oh, macam mana nak buat ni? Macam mana nak integrate sine? So integrate sine adalah negative cos. So I write down negative cos 2x over 2. Ta-da! That's it. That is how you do it when you hafal. So I think hafal senang jugalah. You terus ingat kan? Plus with integration of cos 6x. Tapi if you don't like to hafal, some people doesn't like hafal, so they will make sense of it. Oh, differentiate sine gonna give me cos. Therefore, oh, I know it is sine 6x then over 6. And then I put plus c, don't forget. The answer is negative 3 over 2 cos 2x plus with 1 over 6 sine 6x plus c. That's it. That is our answer for question number 4. Let's go to question number 5. We practiced a lot, okay? Here goes. 2 integration. Saya pisahkan dia menjadi 2. And then I bring the number 5 outside. Terus bawa 5 keluar. Sebab apa? Sebab nak bagi nampak senang. Nak bagi nampak clear that, oh, this is cos. Oh, this is literally secant squared sahaja. Nak bagi nampak clear that there are 3 different kind of formula, you know. And so, my answer here is sine 7x over 7 minus 5 in bracket. I love to put big bracket like this kind. And then I integrate secant squared. Secant squared jawapannya adalah tangent 3x over 3. Therefore, the final answer is 1 over 7 sine 7x minus with 5 over 3 tangent 3x plus c. Ta-da! Habis soalan nombor 5. Let's go to question number 6. How about this one? So 3 is a constant. So I can bring the 3 outside and I will get what? I will get 1 over cos squared 2x. Ya, jangan panik ya. Put dx as penutup. Jangan malas. Student kadang-kadang malas sangat nak tulis dx ni. Tapi saya tak nak. I don't want my students to be lazy. I want them to write them nicely. Ada simbol pembuka dan ada juga simbol penutupnya. Integral dx. Okay, if this is x, this should be dx. Alright, and so another one is cos 4x dx. And so the answer is kita tak boleh terus integrate for this part. We cannot directly integrate. We do not know how to do it sebab dia adalah 1 over. So you must have only 3 groups that I told you guys in our LO yang ketiga tadi kan. Dia kata kita hanya ada 3 group, iaitu integration of secant squared AX, cos AX dan juga sin AX. Hanya ada 3 group ini saja yang kita dah belajar tadi. And so apa akan jadi? Apa perubahan boleh dibuat di sini ya? So we know that 1 over cos x is actually secant x. Okay, you should know this already. This is basic knowledge from chapter 7 last semester. 1 over cos x is secant x. Tapi kalau saya letak 1 over cos squared x, sini akan automatic jadi secant squared x. So this is the knowledge of chapter 7 dulu ya. So di dalam ni jadilah pula secant squared 2x. Okay, this is knowledge chapter 7 dahulu. Yang ni saya hanya bawa dia turun. Saya belum selesaikan lagi sebab dia masih dalam integral. And then barulah saya bersedia untuk integrate secant squared 2x, which is I know the answer is tangent 2x over 2. And then at the back here, the answer is integrate cos is sine 4x over 4. And then plus C. Ta-da! This is the answer. You can leave your answer like this, or you want to separate 3 over 2 in front, tangent 2x at the back pun boleh. Asingkan ini menjadi sebelah-sebelah pun boleh. 1 over 4 pun boleh. Up to you guys. These are also correct. The way of writing it is also good.